everybody. My name's Alison Cox and I am a Conscious Horse, Conscious Rider Facilitator. And today we are going to talk about stress and the holidays. So what do horses do during the holidays when there's so much stress around? It's like, I like to lick coats. Horses like to move the energy, so if something feels stuck or isn't that fun or they're not having the best time ever, horses, like he's doing right now, will start to, well actually I'm not exactly sure what he's doing, but he's definitely being an energy that is shifting or changing things. So just now, my friend Marcia, he's like, you need a lot of work, lady. My friend Marcia was out here and we were working with horses, and she's a space that's really calm, and she left, and all of a sudden I kind of felt the stress of other people's holiday season or my own or something, but all of a sudden it just got kind of heavy and I was about to leave, but I'm like, which horse would like to facilitate me with this right now? And these guys called me over. This one in particular, he's so sweet. And horses have the capacity to just kind of be with you and your body in a way, if and when they choose. That is super healing. It allows you to relax. It allows you to expand your universe. And when they're getting information and they start moving energy, sometimes they yawn. And he's just kind of working and releasing with me right now, which is so cool. And it just feels really good. And I could just stand here forever, which I might. I won't keep you on here forever. But if you're ever stressed, you can go find a horse and just ask, hey, which horse will take care of me today? And just be there with them. It doesn't have to look like this. But just being with them and allowing them to expand your space and expand your stress level, or just any solid things that were in your universe, just to allow them to help you release that or expand it, is one of the coolest things ever so far. So when in doubt, when you're stressed, go find a horse and just let them be with you. And you never know what will show up.